The flu. We've all heard of it, and many of us have experienced its unpleasant effects. But what exactly is this microscopic foe that leaves us bedridden and miserable? The flu is caused by a virus, specifically the influenza virus. This tiny particle is so small that millions could fit on the head of a pin. The influenza virus is a master of disguise. Imagine a spiky ball, with each spike representing a different protein. These proteins are the keys that allow the virus to unlock and invade the cells in our respiratory system. Once inside, the virus hijacks our cells, turning them into factories to produce more viruses. These new viral copies then burst forth, like an army, to infect even more cells. This cycle of infection and replication is what makes us sick. The influenza virus is highly contagious, spreading easily through coughs and sneezes. As the virus spreads, our body becomes a battleground. The next section explores how our intelligent defense system detects this sneaky intruder and prepares to fight back. Our bodies are equipped with an amazing defense system, the immune system. This intricate network of cells and proteins is constantly on patrol, guarding against harmful invaders like the influenza virus. But how does our immune system even know the flu has invaded? When the influenza virus enters our bodies and starts replicating, it leaves a trail of destruction. Our cells are not defenseless. They display distress signals on their surface, much like a distress beacon calling for help. These signals, called antigens, are specific to the influenza virus. Think of them as wanted posters that alert the immune system to the presence of a foreign invader. Specialized immune cells called macrophages and dendritic cells are the first responders. They engulf and digest the virus, presenting its antigens on their own surfaces. This crucial step serves as an alarm bell, activating other immune cells and triggering a targeted attack against the virus. Once the immune system is alerted, it launches a multi-pronged attack against the influenza virus. Two key players in this battle are T cells and B cells, specialized lymphocytes that work together to eliminate the threat. Think of T cells as the soldiers of the immune system. There are two main types, helper T cells and killer T cells. Helper T cells act like generals, coordinating the immune response. They release chemical signals that direct other immune cells, including killer T cells, to the site of infection. Killer T cells are the frontline warriors, directly attacking and destroying infected cells. They do this by recognizing viral antigens presented on the surface of infected cells and releasing toxic substances that destroy them. B cells, on the other hand, are the weapon manufacturers of the immune system. They produce antibodies, specialized proteins that bind to the influenza virus and neutralize it. Imagine antibodies as tiny seek and destroy missiles, targeting the virus and preventing it from infecting more cells. This coordinated attack by T cells and B cells is a powerful defense mechanism that helps our bodies fight off the influenza virus and recover from the flu. Section 4: The battle rages, symptoms of the immune response. As our immune system wages war against the influenza virus, we experience a variety of unpleasant symptoms. These symptoms, while uncomfortable, are actually signs that our bodies are fighting back. Fever, for example, is a natural defense mechanism. The increased body temperature creates a hostile environment for the virus, slowing down its replication. Muscle aches and fatigue are caused by the release of inflammatory chemicals, called cytokines, which help recruit immune cells to the site of infection. Coughing and sneezing are the body's way of expelling the virus from the respiratory system. While these symptoms can be bothersome, it's important to remember that they are signs that our immune system is working hard to eliminate the virus. As the battle subsides and our immune system gains the upper hand, these symptoms gradually disappear, leaving us feeling exhausted but victorious. Section 5: Staying healthy, our best defense. Understanding how the influenza virus works and how our immune system fights back is crucial for staying healthy. We can take proactive steps to protect ourselves and others from this contagious virus. Vaccination is one of the most effective ways to prevent the flu. Vaccines work by introducing a weakened or inactive form of the virus to our immune system, priming it to recognize and fight off future infections. Practicing good hygiene, such as washing our hands frequently and covering our mouths when we cough or sneeze, can also help prevent the spread of the virus. Finally, staying home when we're sick can prevent us from transmitting the virus to others. By understanding the science behind the flu and taking steps to protect ourselves, we can minimize the impact of this common but potentially serious illness.